Today you are going to be working on an activity in Checkpoint 2. When I click on the View All Activities and 2 resources under Checkpoint 2 and look all the way down to the bottom, you will see Climate Task, What Determines Climate? When you click on that activity, it opens this document. The essential question is what determines climate? Climate is different in different places, and we are going to be looking at why climates around the world are different. The materials that you will need are a flashlight, which represents the sun, a styrofoam ball that represents the earth, a toothpick that goes through the center of earth, and a rubber band that fits around the ball and represents the equator. You will also need a protractor to be able to put the earth on it and tilted on its axis. The rubber band will already be placed around the middle of the ball, and the toothpick will already be through the ball. The toothpick represents the axis of rotation, the line around which the earth rotates. You are going to be turning on the flashlight and holding the earth ball about 2 feet away from the flashlight. The flashlight represents the sun. You are going to be tilting the axis towards the light by 23 degrees. We do this because the Earth's axis is not straight up and down. It is tilted by 23 degrees. You're going to use the protractor to make sure you tilt the axis the correct amount. This picture shows how I would hold the ball. I would hold the protractor and then use it to tilt or to move the axis down 23 degrees. This picture shows the ball and the toothpick straight up and down at 90 degrees. If I want to rotate the ball towards the sun 23 degrees, I would need to add 23 to the 90 and I would get 113 degrees. This shows how my protractor will look with my ball and my toothpick on it and showing you the tilt at 23 degrees. The next picture shows how the flashlight shines on the earth. Once you have done this, it says to slowly rotate the earth on its axis, the toothpick, and watch carefully how the light hits different parts of the earth. Then think about these questions. How much light does a spot on the equator get? How much light did a spot on the northern hemisphere get? How much light did a spot on the southern hemisphere get? You will answer these questions with your group. Then you will answer the next questions with your group also. Please make sure that you answer these questions in complete sentences.